Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, however you may be listening. Welcome back for another live stream. I am getting set up. I am live on YouTube and TikTok right now. TikTok, you don't stop. I was very excited this morning, and now to be completely honest with you, I'm a little shaken. No, not necessarily. What's up, King Kush? I know where this is going. I know. But, I was ready. Man. Thank you, T-Bane. Good AM Clarence. Hello, Elias. I was ready to just shoot up to the stratosphere. And, I wasn't, I should probably just stuck to my fundamentals of just thinking, all right, $47,000 August close. Sticking with that, $43,000 September close, like $60,000 October close. But this morning got me excited. So as long as we bounce off of this 200-day EMA, I'm good. So the 200-day EMA, I think, is around 39,300 or something like that. So what's up, Nicholas Baxter? All right, let's see. Anaste, what's the update? What's the update with you? If I remember correctly, you're kind of bearish right now. So let me know what you're thinking. There's always room for differing opinions in here. That's how we sharpen each other. So it's all good if that's the case. Maybe it's you, or maybe I'm confusing you with someone else. This feed is brought to you by Dunkin' Donuts. Good evening, Mitchell. 40K Bitcoin. Here we go to 200K over the next 9 months or so. Perhaps, yeah. Dunkin'. If there was a Dunkin' cryptocurrency, I'd be super pumped. So do you not think it will be dropping to low 30s or even high 20s with Bitcoin? I don't think high 20s. I've been saying for the last week, not high 20s. And I'm saying that as someone who called the bottom. So not high 20s. Low 30s is possible, but I'm hoping we stay over the 200-day EMA. Where should I put my XRP that I have on Bitmart? Maybe uphold. I'm not sure. I mean, I think it's okay there. 38.42 for the next week or so. I think if it stays within that range, it would go on the downside of that. So still think we'll see some Bitcoin volatility. Yeah, let's see what happens today. Is the SEC going to drop any bombs? Today's that 28th deadline. Will the Fed do anything? They usually don't. They don't do anything crazy. But, federal FOMC meetings today. So let's see. I think this current jump is based on SEC XRP lawsuit looking favorable. Okay. I'm not going to watch or listen to it, but you might be right. Matic prediction end of November. Man, $1.75. How about that? We'll be using all my UST stash away into ETH, Luna, and Bitcoin in that order. Excellent. Any clue XRP jump? I think it's just people have had this date circled for a while. Today I'll point the direction for the market. It'll point the direction for the market. Something will point the direction. Yeah, the XRP. Yeah. Will Coinbase relist XRP if XRP wins? Yes. So what would I wait to buy Bitcoin at? I mean, I'm in favor of DCAing. Here's what's going to happen, I think. Perhaps we've already done this, but we'll see. Are we going to test that 21-week EMA? If so, then 39,300 is the low, and we'll bounce off of that and shoot higher. If not, then we're going to go much lower. So now's an interesting time. Maybe, buy like $50 right now or something. Did I tweak not putting into crypto last week? Tweak? I'm not sure what you mean by that, but I think you should have. Will DOT drop to around 10 again? I don't think so. That seems a little too low. XRP, Rocket. Good morning, Evil D. DOT price end of this bull run like 200. Binance CEO is stepping down. Yeah, I saw that. What's the best coin to accumulate in case of a dip? Maybe Polkadot. I think Polkadot's going to surpass its all-time high. It's $14 right now, and its all-time high is $50. That's a 4x almost. So thank you Crypto Huster. Thank you, Zombie. What WTF? Good morning. Do you feel the large dip is over? Do you see resistance at 40K? We are in we're back in range. So it's like, I hate to say it, it's 50-50. Like, are we going to break out to the upside of this range, or are we going to break out to the downside? And when will it be? I think there's going to be some kind of breakout in some direction soon. My guess would be up, but we'll see. When will Cardano bounce back? Man, Cardano's been, except for in May, Cardano's been like within $1 to $1.30 for the entire year. So I'm assuming you mean May prices, and I'll just say November. Hey, what's up, Neutral? Not a ton going on right now. I mean, we're back within that range, unfortunately, but, you know, we're going to go. Thank you, Zombie. Yeah, thanks a lot. Opinion about BNB. It's one of my favorites. I'm not worried about it long term. Short term, I'm a little worried about it. Thoughts on Crow? I love Crow. I love their partnerships. I love everything they're doing. Crypto.com as a platform, as an exchange, is going to exist for a long time. So VeChain price end of the cycle $1. Any new cryptos I'm looking at? No. I mean, aside from Infinity Pad, I threw a BNB at Infinity Pad. So we'll see about that. Thoughts on XRP now? I mean, we'll see. I have no idea about, you know, it looks like they'll win or settle. So Fry, top of the morning to you, lad. Sorry for those of you in England. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Do you consider top crypto coins speculative investing? No. Especially with my mentality, I buy and hold. So, all right, that's just the market. Looks like one way or another, but you never really know. Yeah. Theta price out of this bull cycle. I used to say $100. Now I'm just gonna be a little bit more conservative and say 50. Upside only after some test of 40K. We'll see. Bitcoin going back to the moon. He's on it soon enough, but we might have to be a little bit more patient than I was thinking this morning. So Quant's a beast. Quant's the honey badger. I was thinking about that. Hey, Zlatan, morning. Quant is the honey badger. It don't give no F's. So what do you think is happening with Binance? You know, the CEO stepping down. I think it's brilliant that he's stepping down, because now, like, regulators can look at it and be like, yeah, that was the old CEO. We're just going to slap him on the wrist. Binance is going to be just fine. Any new cryptos I'm looking at to invest? Yeah, I said no, pretty much. So have I bought VeChain? Yes, I have plenty of VeChain. My average cost is 16 cents. So I hope it goes back up. I think it will. Duncan this morning. Yes, sir. Duncan. Boom. ETH still 5K at the end of the year? I think so, yeah. End of the cycle, $15,000. Matic price prediction next month? I have no idea. How about $1.35? Sold all my stuff. Please tell me the low Bitcoin will hit this year. It's already passed. I'm sorry. Rune, I don't really know enough. Today look a god day. Good day? Good day. Hey, NM, good evening. On your recommendation, I bought some ETH. Excellent. Hold it. What do you think about Neo? Don't really know enough. Sorry. Crypto is going to go down to 20K. You are welcome to have your opinion, but if you keep on like arguing that without any, you know, and just making declarative statements without anything backing up, I will mute you. Chainlink is a long-term hold for me. You can buy Quant on Coinbase. When do you think Quant will explode? I mean, it needs some time to settle down. But Pablo told me 20K. Yeah, Pablo. Gotta love Pablo. Man, Pablo's getting hammered right now. Pablo is getting hammered. And I kind of feel bad for him. I actually do. I do feel bad for him. Will Bitcoin go around 32 to 33K again? I don't think so. Do you see smart money selling VET before it hits $1 like 90 cents? Probably, Fry. Yeah. Let's see. Will Bitcoin... Or I saw that Doge is not going to have any extraordinary movements for a few months, but it'll go up with the rest of the market. Haven't got Bitcoin yet. Should I invest now or is it too late? You should invest now. Dollar cost average your way in. You buy $50 or $100 of Bitcoin a month, you'll be in great shape in about 10 to 20 years. Chainlink, $200 in the cycle. Favorite small cap? I don't really do small caps all that much. Quant is probably the smallest cap. The whales are after Pablo. No, it's more like the people, his worshipers are after him. Why are people saying 20K? There's no way to back that up. Yeah, pretty much. Do not feel bad for Pablo. That's a good point, Debo. That is a really good point. What do you think about Stellar? I love Stellar for sure. Yeah. You just mentioned Chainlink for long-term. Why Chainlink? Limited supply, decreasing quantity. Chainlink is going to exist for a long time. Things like that. NM. So when you say Link is a long-term hold, how long are you thinking? At least 10 years. Maybe, yeah, I'd say 10 years. How is he getting hit? Just people are commenting. Like, check out his YouTube channel. He just reposts his TikToks on YouTube. and it's like it got a ton of dislikes. People are commenting in his videos. And so when I say he's getting hit, it's more like just people are upset with him. Is a Crow good entry for now? Yeah, I think so for long term. I mean, for long term, it's one of those things. I don't plan on holding any throughout the bear market, but you'll do well if you hold it long term. Smart to buy ETH and Bitcoin now every day. Every day. The way he spoke to you during your live was ridiculous. Yeah, hey, listen, guys. Here, I'm going to tell you something. When it's like when there's no doubt that Pablo was wrong, I'm going to say some really hard words to him. So for now, I feel bad. But why I feel bad? He always laughs in the bull faces. Yeah. All right. Do you think ETH will be between 5 and 10K this year? Within a year, yeah. Guys, I'm having a really hard time keeping up with this chat. I am live on YouTube right now. I am able to respond to every comment or question on YouTube. All right, should I convert Doge to Bitcoin? If you have no Bitcoin, you should convert some Doge to Bitcoin. Do you think AMP will go back down to 4 or even 3 cents? I don't know where AMP is, but I'm guessing no. So do you think ETH, all right, I saw that pump. Awesome. Pablo's a con man. Your words, not mine. I have 55,000 in bank. What should I put in it? And why is it all Doge? Yes. I've only got a few thousand to spend on crypto. Which coins are best for long-term investment? Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'd say like 40% Bitcoin, 60% Ethereum. Bro, thoughts on holding and buying Link? Yes, do it. Kids, be quiet. All right, sorry about that. Let's see. If you had to keep only 3 coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. We expecting a small dip. I am expecting a bounce off the 21 weekly EMA, which is at 39,300. He was being okay. XLM, yeah. He was cocky in the comments I was talking about yesterday when people said he was wrong. That's why he got unfollowed. He was. XRP is a joke to you. It's polarizing. If the price of Bitcoin does not fall 20K, then Pablo will have a heart attack. You're welcome, Jorge. If you had to keep on, yeah, I saw that. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. Start to skip several questions. Maybe. Been hearing a lot of hacks, tips to avoid. Don't be stupid. Somebody messaged me. There's all these scam accounts on my TikTok. And somebody messaged me telling me that he messaged, contact me on WhatsApp and here's my phone number. And it's so obviously a scam. Don't be stupid. Be extra careful if you're entering your keys. If you're asked to do anything to send money, be extra careful about that. Good morning, Albert. Aave, it's up there for my favorite DeFi projects. I have some Aave. I don't use Aave though. So will ETH go back to 2K? Borderline 50. I'd say, gun to my head, I would say no. All right, CW said on his live that his lowest estimate is now 25 to 27. Okay. All right. Yeah. Latan. I'm okay with him saying that. Revised, but change. I don't know what to say. Pablo, if he doesn't admit that he was wrong, it's not going to go well for him. Only eating salads from here on out so I can enjoy my gains at the end of the year. There we go. Dan Cohen, CEO of GameStonks. Follow me on Twitter, by the way, WWBitcoin. Will ETH, all right. Sorry. Yeah, a lot of people in here. Let's see. What price to buy Link? Under $20 is a great price to buy Link. Link end of the year, like $60 or so. Thank you, Neutral. Let's see. You come on here when it's down or up. Pablo disappears when he's wrong. Yeah. I have 10K in Robinhood. Can I transfer over? You can't transfer or exchange out of Robinhood. I would say keep it in there if it's already invested in stuff. But anything else would be just put it on a different platform like Voyager. Why don't other influencers begin crypto that much? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that question. I wouldn't say that that's true. Maybe it's just that he's not on people's radars as much. All right. Hey, William, switch over to YouTube. Any crypto you think may have a solid gain? I am in most of you like Vet, ADA, Matic, Link. You got to have some Ethereum, man. You've got to have some Ethereum. Litecoin and HBAR. I'm warming up to Litecoin as a potential coin to kill it for this bull run. I'm still not a huge fan of it. H-bar is a good long-term hold for me. I wouldn't say for quick gains, but all right, sorry. Again, I am live on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep up with these comments. I'm going back down all the way to the bottom of the comments. So I do not mean GameStop. I mean Game Stonks. Let's see. Stake your dot on Voyager. VeChain will dominate. When should I grab more Bitcoin and ETH? You got a dollar cost average right now. This thing could pop, but it could. We're at the edge of a triangle, and we could break up, down, or up. And so, all right. I'm sorry that I'm really distracted right now. You're welcome, William. Weatherman is still bearish. Yeah, he's still bearish. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Glad to have Hannah dollars in Bitcoin, so I should buy more now. Wait until I go down. But DCA got scammed ACC from my Twitter. I'm not. All right, let's see. When Link Moon, when everything else moons. Voyager, will you buy any alts not including ETH? No, I'm pretty much all in right now. So I will probably only be adding ETH and Quant. Do you expect a pullback? If it's a pullback, it's going to be minor. So right now, your top recs are mainly just Bitcoin and ETH. Yes, Nicole. I've got 1,200 Bitcoin. Should I buy some now or wait until it goes down? Yes to both. Why take out of Robinhood? I didn't say take out of Robinhood. Let's see. Sorry. Stock up on XLM, XRP, Bitcoin, ETH, FTM, HBAR. Those are all good. Just going to kill. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah, Dan, I didn't want to say it like that. Could go up, could go down. But really right now, that's absolutely true. Yes, Quant. What's my thought on DOT? DOT, I'm very confident will go back to its all-time high at least, which is about a 4x from here. I mean, do you want a confident 4x? Happy Wednesday, whole lot of cap. Google 1977 Afro, that's what you need. No, everyone tells me I need a haircut, and then some people tell me I need an Afro. We're on our 8th daily green candle for Bitcoin. Yes, we are. Can you get your money out of Robinhood? You have to sell your crypto and turn it to fiat, and then you can get it out. Someone get this man a mic stand. Oh, no. Do you make money if we watch on YouTube? Yeah, I mean, I make a little bit of money, Nicole. Yeah. Weatherman admits he's wrong and alters his conclusion when new data rises. That's why I like Weatherman. Have 7K of XRP. Should I hold? Yes, absolutely right now. Buy Cardano. Yeah, buy Cardano. Is 10 Ethereum enough, or should I get more? I mean, stack those ETH, man. I'm not gonna ever say to not get more ETH. Bought the first 48.90, thinking this is high, but it might not be a better opportunity. That's Ross. I think that's exactly what you should do. I already answered. Thoughts on DOT. Should I buy AMP? Yes. Thoughts on SafeMoon? You're all in. I'm not in favor of being all in on anything, but especially SafeMoon. I think SafeMoon is going to be outperformed by most other cryptos for the next few months. But I think it'll surpass its all-time high again. So, what's up, ZK Pablo? What do you think about Ethereum 2.0? I'm super excited about ETH 2.0. You've got to watch the video that I made about ETH 2.0. It's EIP 3675. Check it out. It's like I made it last week or something like that. Thank you, Constantino. I try. 10K Ethereum this year? I don't think so. I think next year. Chainlink's a long-term hold for me. Solana, I'm very excited about Solana. I could see Solana 4 years from now being what ETH is worth now. So what's going on today? Up or down? I don't know. Up or down? We'll see. I just bought more Atari. Okay, looking forward to Layer 2 with Polygon. All right. Thoughts on NFTs? I like gaming NFTs. It makes perfect sense to me for gaming to have NFTs. So NM, why the sudden jump for XRP today? I think it's in anticipation of potentially the suit ending, because if that suit ends, XRP is going to skyrocket. How many years should I hold DOT for? No years. I would say months. When things go parabolic, go higher. Hour or something, Slowpoke. Okay, let's go NYC for sure. What do you think of Thorchain? Will it go up? Stay away from Thorchain. They have not proven themselves to be reliable. Stay away. They got hacked last week for, I think, the third time. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. XLM by the end of this year, maybe $1. I sold my little brother to get money to invest. Thank you for the cake, Mark. Why is Hex not available on CMC and Gecko? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why it's not listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. But, yeah, people are saying it's like the number 3 crypto by market cap. I hope it does. I've been getting in a little every week. NM, I already answered that. I don't think it's because of Japan. It might be because of Japan, but I think it has to do with the SEC suit. Will Ethereum drop? I mean, yes, no, maybe. You got a DCA. AOS thoughts, I don't really know enough. Rune, same thing. Doge, I think other cryptos are going to outperform Doge, but it will go up with the rest of the market over the next like 3 months or so. Algorand, I loved Algorand, bullish on it. Almost recovered my original investment. There we go. What about Shiba? Same thing with SafeMoon and Doge. Other cryptos will outperform Shiba over the next 3 months or so. I heard that Ethereum mining was stopped. Is this true? Yes, it is true. So, you know, I don't feel too bad for Ethereum miners. They could mine other things. They could mine Ethereum Classic. But, yeah, so not only will it stop, you've got to listen to me. If you don't know this, all right, about 12,800 ETH are mined every day. Miners, when they mine it, they usually sell it. When ETH 2.0 is launched, that's going to be converted to staking. And there's only going to be 1,280 ETH rewards every day. Okay? So that's like the production is cut in tenths instead of, you know, Bitcoin with their halvings. ETH I think is going to skyrocket. All right. Sorry. Is Hex definitely a scam or Ponzi? I'm not willing to declare that. Yeah. Is today a bad day to buy XRP? Not necessarily, no. Is the coin going ETF? What coin? Oh, Bitcoin eventually, but you know the SEC is dragging their feet about it. So let me try to catch up on TikTok here, and then I'll be with you all on YouTube. So let's see. What do you think will perform the best? Ethereum. How about that? Probably not Ethereum, but Shiba in 2030 hits 1 cent. I still don't think so. Is the coin? I answered that. Thank you, Zombie. I'm having a hard time. Mini Doge, I don't really pay attention to it. Daryl, I've already answered your question. What's the best platform to invest in stocks? I don't know. Fidelity. Why is anyone buying Filecoin right now? Not that I know. I mean, aside from nothing extraordinary with Filecoin. Best coin to buy right now, maybe Uniswap, maybe ETH. Do you dollar cost average? Or do you go on at once? Dollar cost average. Dean and Bance. I don't know of any updates with the SEC. I am live on YouTube, by the way. Follow me on YouTube. I can answer every question there, but probably not on TikTok. Thank you so much, Stacy. Really appreciate that. All right, Anchor. Nicholas, I feel like you would know my answer to that. I mean, I think Anchor is going to be in existence 20 years from now, so I'm very bullish on it over the long term. I have no price predictions though. If I have 10,000 VET. How many would you suggest holding long term? I'm thinking 500 to 1,000. I think that would be perfect, Fry. I just want to dump my Doge. Next positive gain, it goes by. I wouldn't complain if you did that, William. Best coin is internet computer. Ha! That's a joke. That's funny. Yeah. See you on YouTube. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Let me try to get caught up here. Yeah, to the dumpster. Any update? SEC, I already responded to that. Ethereum is for sure the safest and best investment over the next 5 years. Sky Moore, I think that's great. 40 to 50%. Yeah. Price prediction for Ethereum end of August. I really don't know, but how about 2,800? K Danica, I don't know of an SEC update. I'm not paying attention to it, but what do you think is the worst narrative in the space? I mean, lately it's been anything that not lately. The bears right now, the people who are saying it's going to 20K, the influencers, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Maybe. All right, Pablo. Bitcoin. If he was a Bitcoin guy, he would know that there are certain constraints, and he is breaking every rule. And anyway, I'm not going to go on with that. Hey, what's up, Pete Nasty? Pancake Swap. I like Pancake Swap. I have a ton of cake, so ETH going end of 2021, 7,500. I've been saying 5,000 or so, but 7,500, I could see that. Next year, I think is going to be a big year for ETH. Been looking at Filecoin myself. It's one of the very few that hasn't had a big pump yet. Yeah, it hasn't. Yeah. Polkadot is Quanta Beast. All right, Dash is doing well. Sorry. Please don't spam your questions. I'm having a hard enough time keeping up. Holochain, I could see Holochain like 20xing from here. So I have some. I'm waiting. Dash is doing really well. Quant's the honey badger. Polkadot. Polkadot, I think at least will go back to its all-time high of $50. What do you think about the XRP pump? It could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. I'm waiting and seeing. So do I like Engine Coin? I don't hate it. I don't have any. Oh, wait, no, actually I do have some. But I have like $200. So, yeah, Pablo got lucky with a couple of predictions and has been riding the wave since. Ain't that the truth? He's been pretty much wrong ever since then. Bitcoin and mini Doge. Man, mini Doge, not touching it. Doge going to $1. It's possible, yeah. Tron thoughts. I'm not a huge fan of Tron. I could see Tron doing well. I could see it pumping. But it depends on how much Justin Sun owns, because he will dump that thing so hard. Again, Quanta Beast, XRP prediction if they lose the suit. 10 cents, I don't know. But I think XRP will be fine in the long suit. If they settle, it'll go up. Golem Network, don't really know much about that. Sorry. What's up, Cody? Holochain and long-term good? Nothing's good. There are very few cryptos that are I would recommend holding long-term, and Holochain is absolutely not one on my list that I will be holding. I think I know the answer, but will XRP get to $1,000? No. I mean, unless they decide to burn a ton of it. So I don't trade using an algorithm. No, I'm a buyer and a holder. I look for discounts. What do you stake and where? I mostly stake Cake. I get about 100% returns APR, which will go down over time. But I have about $40,000 worth of Cake staking at 100 APR. Can't really complain about that. Have I sold anything this week? No, not at all. HNT, helium miners are awesome. From the things I'm very excited about potentially getting my hands on a helium miner. K Danica, I still don't know. SEC update. So yeah, ETH, RSR, Chainlink, and ADA is what I got. Great. I'd recommend adding some Bitcoin, but nobody wants to do that. So what am I buying in on? I'm mostly bought in. Any new purchases will probably be ETH and Quant. Also on Engine, once they launch Efinity Chain, it'll go parabolic. I hope so, Mr. Zombie. Amazon rumors. I haven't heard anything about that. Sky Moore, I see your comment. Yeah. He will pick and choose the right clip to say that he was right. Anything happened with the XRP deposition yesterday? Not that I know of. I don't really expect any significant dip anytime soon. I don't have a VThor price prediction. I do think it'll go up. Is eToro a good platform? I don't use it, so I don't know. I hold XRP, XLM, and Quant. Would you say that it's a good place to be for long term? Yes. Yeah. I know that in general I say no long-term holds, but, we're going to get hit hard by regulation. It's just going to come once they realize how much of a disruptor cryptocurrencies are to their power. And XRP, XLM, and Quant may not have to go over the same hurdles. Oh, sorry, Mr. Zombie. I missed that. All right. I am live on YouTube. Let me see. I think ETH London update will boost layer 2. Might not be bullish for ETH right away if those base fees are high. Mr. Zombie, I'm totally with you on that. Can I move to you and get a job? I'm not making. I'm like making a few $100 a month doing this. So let's see. Long haul, baby. Let's go. Bull. Anna May, hello. Sorry if this has already been asked, but can you cash out Cake returns monthly? You can do whatever you want. You don't have to stake it for any set period of time. And again, there's no way I'm going to be able to keep up with all the comments on TikTok, but I am trying to answer every question on YouTube. All right, technically fundamental, my man Vitalik Minakunis and Ashton Kutcher making an NFT digital short, and it sold out in 35 minutes. Wow, that's crazy. Stoner Cats, man, I don't like doing. I don't want anything to do with that. I shorted Bitcoin for the first time ever yesterday at 37K, and now I'm ashamed. Oh, no, Ross. Oh, dude. Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm caught up on YouTube, so let's see. End of year ETH 5K. What do you think about ADA? In general, I'm bullish. I mean, what are they going to be? You know, we'll know what ADA is 10 years from now, not anytime soon. If they do half the things that they're saying they're going to do, then great. XRP is big news in Japan right now. Yeah, I heard that. Any good books to understand crypto? Really not, honestly, not that many, but the Bitcoin Standard, I definitely recommend that. Chainlink long term, 5 to 10 years, 4 figures, easy. I'm not going to go much higher. Saw your previous TikTok. Just want to know your thought about the really low volume on Bitcoin. Yeah, volume is, well, all right, it's all about perspective. Yes, volume is low in comparison to when Bitcoin was trading at $60,000. But volume is very high in comparison to 2017. It's not even close. And so the volume, I would argue, is actually like, you know, at the peak in 2017, the volume was about $10 billion a day. Now it's $40 billion. Today it's $40 billion. And so, and here's the other thing that I would say is that people are accumulating, okay? Wallets of all sizes are accumulating. Look at the on-chain analytics. Thank you, Zion. Close the door. How do you short crypto? No, go. Close the door. How do you short crypto on places like Bybit and Femex? I don't do it at all. So is Cardano a good coin to buy now? I would say so, yeah. I think you should write a book. Yeah, I'm going to write a book. World War Bitcoin was supposed to be the title of a book, and then I just used it as my username. So I'm sorry if this has been asked. I'm late to the live. Can you cash out on cake? I think I answered that one. It doesn't have to be a year there for a year. You get your returns very quickly. So Theta end of 2021 price predictions like $25 or so. HCMC, I don't really know about it. Sorry. Okay. Again, for those of you on TikTok, you can either follow me on Twitter and ask a question, and I will, after this live stream, answer it. Or you can go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube. I am live right now. Just search World War Bitcoin on YouTube, and I will gladly answer your question there. So did you just say ETH to 5 to 10K end of year? Yes, I did, but end of cycle, $15,000 in my opinion. What do you think of Cardano will be end of the year? $3. End of cycle, $8. So how much time is left to stop Ethereum mining? I think it's going to happen in about 2022, early 2022. You're welcome, Stacy. Thank you so much for being here. H-bar price during bear market, maybe around where it is now, maybe like 20 cents or something. I know it's not quite 20 cents, but all right, more bullish on ADA, Matic, or Quant. Either Matic or Quant. Quant might be a little frothy right now, so short term I'll say Matic. When do you think the end of the cycle will end? Sometime between November and May. I would say early to mid 2022 though. I bet by November your lives will be at 1K again. People will realize we were back in a bull when it's already too late. Totally, Fry. I'm with you on that. How long is a cycle? A cycle is, it's 4 years, but like after the halving, after each halving, there is about, recently in 2017, after the 2016 halving, it went for about a year and a half before it peaked. This time I'm expecting it to be like a year and 3/4 or 2 years. So best coin to buy now, either Ethereum or Uniswap, something like that. I feel like Link has been lower than its potential over the last year. Looking at Pop soon. Totally with you on that. The board surfer. Is USDT okay? I would stay away from USDT. Use BUSD or USD coin. Will XRP be available to trade on Voyager after the SEC stuff? It should be, Dale, but I don't know for sure. Buy now is safe. DCA now is always safe. XRP end of the year. I think. Matic. I'm bullish on Matic. I love Matic. That's all I'll say for now. Just the chat's going really fast. XRP end of the year just depends on the SEC suit. I could see it going up to $3 by the end of the year, $8 to $10 end of the cycle. Did you see that Warren called out Bezos personally? No, I did not. Not sure what that's about. Oh, Elizabeth Warren. I thought you were talking about Warren Buffett. What do you think will happen since so many people are getting into crypto? It'll increase in value, but there will be booms and busts. But I don't think to the extent that other things will be like that. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin, VChain or ADA, one word. VChain. Let's see. Thoughts on BPro? I don't know enough about it. Is Bitcoin going to correct soon? I don't think so. I think we're due. If USDT crashes, do you think the exchanges will shut down for a bit? No, Crypto Hustler. I do not believe in this FUD. The USD Tether FUD. You know, the thing that the research that I did is showing me that Tether is not in danger right now. That it's the people, that a couple of people who are running the show with Tether are potentially in trouble, but not Tether itself. We already had this stuff with Letitia James in New York. It's like, it's been settled. So thank you, Sky Moore. Thank you so much. All right, if it's any consolation, BitBoy had 105 viewers on TikTok. Well, Anime, you know, he has like thousands on YouTube, but thank you. Had to join the YouTube channel. Oh, yeah, I saw that. Chinese tech stocks are up 4 to 10%. Could be a pumping up to gain funds and buy Bitcoin. Maybe. I don't know how much of a connection there would be. All right, Polymath appointed Charles Hoskinson as a lead architect a few years ago. They're launching Polymesh. Okay. Thank you, Board Surfer. Do you think more people got into crypto because of Doge and GameStop? Yeah, actually, yes. So is Coinbase relisting XRP today? If the SEC suit's not over today, they won't be listing it. So, yeah, I don't know enough about BPro. Underground token, don't know anything about Underground token. When you say end of cycle, when is that? I'm saying, Dean and Bance, early to mid 2022. As early as November, though. So, yeah, when is the end of the cycle? Yeah. Thoughts on Cardano? Again, I'm in general bullish on it. I think it could peak out at $8 or so this cycle. What do you think about Bitcoin mining companies? I invest in Bitcoin, BTCM Ltd, since they're coming to Texas. Yeah, you know, I mean, I lost a lot of money on BTCM. They used to be called WBuy or something like that. I lost a lot of money on Riot. Just, you know, I bought options. I bought options thinking that that was kind of my way of leverage trading. It didn't work out for me. I lost like $15,000. It's fine, but we'll see. But, you know, I'd rather own the actual crypto. All right, over 42K today. What do you think? I don't think so. You know, if you asked me earlier this morning, I would have been like, yeah, let's do it. But, man, that was a fake out. That was a massive fake out. And then it dumped after that, which was kind of a bummer. But, you know, we'll be back. So, H-bar is a long-term hold for me. True. Thanks. You're welcome. Yeah. Let's see. Once it becomes available, should I buy XRP? It depends. You know, here's what I would recommend to you, Nicholas. I would recommend that if you really want XRP, you need to buy it now and not once it becomes available. And if you buy it now, download Uphold and go through the process of signing up there, and then you could get it. So, pretty sure I missed the VET combo. What's your thoughts, short, long term? I have about 10Ks through a small portion of my portfolio at it. I am very bullish on VET. I know that over the last several months it hasn't performed well, but I do think it'll go to $1 or something like that. Does end of cycle mean end of bull market, start of bear market? Yeah, Elias, I should probably use my wording better, but that's what I mean by that. Amazon has a blog. Yeah, Anime, I saw that. They have a job listing. Yep. They can deny Bitcoin, but they can't deny that. Yeah, and Apple did the same thing. But, you know, I think they're like, if I was Amazon, I would be very, very interested in creating my own cryptocurrency. Are you kidding me? You just create your own cryptocurrency and people buy it, and then they use that to buy your products. I mean, dude, I'll buy stock in Amazon. Crypto, albeit fun, will drive you crazy. Are you going to cash out on some crypto at the end of the cycle? Yes, lots of it. Probably half of my crypto I will cash out. None of my Bitcoin and very, very little my Ethereum. What are some of your long-term holds? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Should I buy more BNB? Yeah. Is Ethereum expected to start dumping? Not by no means do I think Ethereum is going to start dumping. KuCoin sells XRP also. I've heard that. Yeah. Have you looked into Radix? I think I did, but I don't remember. I get requests to look into things for a long time. Do I believe in Aave? Yeah, I believe in Aave and Quant. Yeah. Amazon trying to run the world. That's for sure. Doge. Other cryptos will outperform Doge for the time being. So if you say 10 for XRP end of market, what do you think XLM will be at? Like 5. Cardano, man, I should have a frequently asked question thing about Cardano above me. In general, I'm bullish. So can I buy ETH now? Yeah, why not? If all these companies create cryptos, will it help or hurt the existing coins? It'll probably hurt some, for sure. I don't think it'll hurt Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yes, they'd be a force to be reckoned with if they set themselves up as a DAO, yeah, and then Amazon Crypto would become stock, yeah. Where are you guys buying HBAR? I don't have that coin yet. You can buy it on Voyager. Voyager is my favorite platform. Download Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749, ALE749, and you will get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. Will Bitcoin dump? My guess is no, but it could. Warren, say anything about crypto today yet? No. Have a good one, Jam TX57. What do you think the time frame would be for coins to start decoupling from Bitcoin? You know, I thought about that, Rab. So what I think will happen generally over time is that, like, in the bear markets, they'll suffer a lot more, and then they won't recover in the bull markets, and maybe that's how they'll decouple. But eventually, yeah, they'll have their own functions, but it's going to be a long time, I think. Is Solana a good buy right now? I would say so, yeah. End of cycle, in my opinion, early to mid-2022. Ethereum Classic is okay for short-term gains, not for long-term. CKB, don't know enough. Price prediction, Ethereum Classic, $300. In 2023, that'll be the bottom of the bear market, lower than where it is now. Never mind. End of cycle, early to mid-2022. Hey, Nick, what's up, man? Long time no watch. Talk this week is nice compared to the last couple, that's for sure, yeah. Or you can buy HBAR and Uphold as well. So I prefer Voyager, but you can buy it on Uphold. I like Uphold too. Mirror, don't really know enough, sorry. Bitcoin price prediction 2030. Over $1 million, that's all I'll say. Why is XRP pumped just now? I think it's people buying on hype. But can you tell me about ICP? I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. And they rug pulled really hard, who got airdropped ICP to sell theirs. They were really shady about it. Even if it pumps, I'm staying away from it. I don't think it's going to go back to its all-time high this cycle. TLM, don't really know enough, sorry. Updates on the hash rate recovery, it's still really slow. So that's a really fascinating thing. Hash rate is still not all the way back. It's probably going to take another month or two. Do you have a favorite price prediction site that has stood this test of time? Man, I don't know. You know, Anime, here's the thing. So we don't have really that much data, historical data. No, I don't mind Insane Clown Posse, but everyone thought that Bitcoin was going to go to like $50,000. I shouldn't say that. A lot of people thought that Bitcoin was going to go much higher than $20,000. And I remember in 2017 when it got up to $20,000, I remember that week leading up to it thinking, this is insane. Anyone who buys Bitcoin right now is insane. But like other people were like, no, it's going much higher. And I'm like, no, it's going to crash really hard. Anyway, Matic. I love Matic. I've talked a lot about Matic. I'm bullish on it. I have an $8 price target. So what do you think? What do you do for fun? All right. So you're kind of being a tool. Okay. I work. I have 5 kids. I spend time with my kids. I'm going to a water park tomorrow. Should I sell my Safe Moon? No. Trump blockchain. Okay. No comment. What do you think the peak for Bitcoin is this cycle? $200,000, but I could see it being a little bit lower than that. I would assume that would be a blow off top to $200,000, but maybe it'll be a rounded top, and it'll be a little lower than that. XRP Coinbase eventually, but not yet. Double tap for the algorithm. Thank you, 24/7 Anon. VRA. I like the team. It's a poor man's theta. I don't know enough about AMP. Sorry. HBAR end of cycle like $2. One price prediction. I don't have one. Sorry. Thank you, Antonius, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. The beach, no. Water park. Man, DOT. I think DOT's going to reach or surpass its all-time high, which is about a 4x from here. How do you know when to sell? When things go crazy, when things go parabolic. When you see 1,000 people in this live stream, that's about the time that you should sell. Right now, there's 105. XRP, I don't know anything going on with the lawsuit, if it's going to end today or if it's going to drag on. My guess would be that it's going to drag on. Bitcoin price 2030, at least $1 million. That's what I'm saying. Ethereum Classic, already answered that. It's good for short-term plays, but not for long-term. No water park, we need you, thank you. But do you see XRP going back to around 6 cents, 60 cents, or going up? I could see it going back down. I think there's a lot of hype today, but we'll see. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up as much as possible. So will Doge get to $1 this bull cycle as the pump is over? I think it could. Let's see. My coin, Axie, I don't know what to say about AXS, Axie Infinity. It's like, it's pumped a lot. I get very hesitant to buy something that's pumped that much. And so I'd recommend staying away for the short term. All right, Vetmatic, ETH, HBAR, DOT, and Link. What do you think? I think that's great. I mean, I would recommend buying Bitcoin, you know, but no one wants to. So, all right, do you think we are currently in a bear market? Officially, well, all right, the Spicy Spaghetti. Here's the funny thing about what you're asking right now. We just crossed a very significant barrier, the 21 weekly EMA. That is at $39,300. And if we bounce off of that and treat that as support, I will say that we are in a bull market. But I've been saying up until today that we are in a bear market, but not the bear market. Soda, do you mean IOTA? IOTA is intriguing to me. I need to learn more about it. So, Nicholas Baxter, you're invited to the water park. Come to Ohio. Coney Island Water Park is where I'm going. Nikhil, I love you. Okay, thank you, Sufyan, I guess, unless you're talking to somebody else. All right. Sorry, I'm going back down to the bottom of the chat here on TikTok. I am doing well. I'm getting a lot of questions. Thank you, Arabic Arrow. Arabic Arrow. There we go. My goodness. Will the SEC announcement on crypto regulations later today cause a dump? Will they have an announcement? You know? We'll see. So, I don't know. I don't know, Fazio. All right. It's not available after they took my CC. Not even know what you're talking about. Sorry. Ragid, hello. Hello. Do I have a favorite dad joke? No. I mean, just when one of my kids says, hey, I'm cold. Hi, cold. I'm daddy. So when does the bull cycle end? In my opinion, early to mid 2022. So, man, come on. I'm struggling here. I can't get to these new messages. Okay. All right. Sorry. Coney Island is like 15 minutes. All right. Nice. Sorry. I'm really struggling with this chat right now. Do I read books? Yeah, I read maybe like a book a month or something like that. So wish he was going to the real Coney Island. That would be awesome, man. Yeah, I was thinking about that, Nicholas, when I said that. Yeah, it's the pretend Coney Island. If you had $10,000, what would you invest in? 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. Spread the rest out among other alts. Theta, Quant, Polkadot, Binance, Chainlink, Solana. There's other ones as well. Senator Warren calls to end snake oil crypto. Yeah, Senator Warren. I call her Satan's girlfriend. Not Satan's girlfriend. Satan's little sister. Sorry. It's just a term of endearment that I have for her. So, thoughts on Hollow? I'm very bullish on Hollow, but it's a bit more risky. So, do you see XRP winning the suit and going up to around $7? Yeah, I see them at least settling, which will be fine. So. Very bullish on AMP. Awesome. Let's see. Sorry, I'm having a really hard time keeping up. Hey, what's up, Shane? What's a good buy right now? Plenty of things. I mean, I would say Ethereum and maybe Uniswap. Let's see. Senator Warren. Oh, yeah, I saw that. XDC, XRP, XLM, XDC. I like them all. So, Atomic Wallet for buying XRP, run credit card, then said not trading. Is Atomic a scam? No, it's because of the SEC suit. I would recommend Uphold or something like that. Uphold. If Elon tweeted now that Tesla was expecting Bitcoin again and broke it through 40K resistance, 42K, he could be forgiven for past tweets. Maybe, yeah. Anchor, end of cycle or long term? Higher. I don't have a price prediction for Anchor. I'm sorry about that. If you're not from the U.S., Coney Island sounds like a magical place. Bitcoin price this bull cycle, I've been saying $2,200. Gas is $4, going to $6. Invest now. Maybe. Thoughts on AMP? I don't own any, but in general, I'm bullish. Stellar price target like $5. Bitcoin, big dump on Bitcoin in 1 to 2 weeks. No, I think August is going to be a very good month for Bitcoin. All right, neutral. Your words, not mine. I'm not going to get too political in here, aside from calling Elizabeth Warren Satan's sister. So, do you buy gas? Where do you buy gas? What? I don't know. Shell, Marathon. Why is XRP pumping right now? It's just there's a lot of hype with hopefully, potentially the SEC suit coming to an end. Why does why does XLM underperform so much? It depends on your time frame. You know, I could understand why you'd be frustrated about XLM, but I would not say that XLM has underperformed really all that much. So, what coin would Amazon look to acquire besides Bitcoin? Their own coin. What's the bull market peak for ETH? I think $15,000. J.H. Markowitz. By the way, guys, I am live on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. Smash up that like button. All that stuff, man. You know, all of it. Just let's do this. So, Ether price 2022. $15,000. EQZ, I don't know EQZ. FTM and OGN, I know more about FTM than I do OGN. Very bullish on FTM, on Phantom. I don't have a price though. Why you say August a good month for Bitcoin? Check out my most recent TikTok, and there's a chart that I share where it's like it seems like it's clockwork. Every July during a bull run, we're squeezed in this box, like every June, July, something like that. And then August is traditionally the month that we break out. I meant Ethereum gas. Do you buy Ethereum gas? Should I buy Ethereum gas? No. Old went live in Japan today when XRP gained from the news, slowing again though. Yeah, the Japan news. I saw the video that you sent me, Shane. Yeah. Anchor advice, hold and then sell if it goes parabolic. XLM developers sell too much. Okay. Nathan's pretzel dogs with cheese sauce are life. All right, what do I think of Hex? I have no opinion. I try to stay neutral on Hex. I have no idea. Are they a scam? Are they not? I own some. I bought some before. I heard other people saying that Hex was a scam. When will ETH hit $15,000? Early to mid 2022, in my opinion. So, view on flash loans. What are flash loans? I mean, I think I can kind of understand what flash loans are, but I'm not entirely sure. View on Chainlink. Chainlink's a I was reading your username when I was long-term hold for me. I'm very bullish on Chainlink. I think it'll hit $2 this something or something like that. Do you do TA and charts yourself? I kind of cherry pick other people, but it's like I don't draw lines or anything like that. I just like, what am I thinking? All right, can I find a chart that is similar to what I'm thinking, and I take that. I'm about 30% technical analysis. I'm much more of an on-chain analyst. So glassnode.com is like heaven for me. AMP, I'm bullish on AMP, but I don't have a price prediction. Is HBAR good right now? I would think I think so. I know you like Quant. Am I holding some? Absolutely, yeah, I'm holding Quant. Plan on holding it for a while. So, thoughts on Powell Yellen and their idea of FDIC crypto platform? You know, good luck to them. Good luck to them. Elizabeth Warren, hello IT. My computer won't work. IT, ma'am, have you tried turning it on? Yeah, it's really funny. Just hearing, you can tell. I can tell when people don't know about crypto, but they're acting like they do know. But anyway, yeah, the Powell Yellen FDIC crypto platform. So you're talking about a central bank run digital currency. Is that what you're talking about? I don't think the government does anything well. I think that they just tend to do a poor job, except for building, building roads, my roads. Other than that, no. All right, history, but I think it will dump on August just because everyone expects a rise. I'm sticking with history. TRX, I'm not a fan. I don't like Tron. I don't like Justin Sun. But will it go higher? Sure, it'll go higher. But RSR, I don't have any. I don't even know what RSR is priced right now, so I don't know. Largest two alt holdings: Ethereum and Cake. Hodl that quant. Yeah. Thoughts on SafeMoon? I think a lot of other cryptos are going to outperform SafeMoon over the next few months. So I don't get why people don't come over to YouTube to watch your lives. TikTok is hard to do it on. I agree with you, William. Watch my live on YouTube right now. Hop on over to YouTube. Those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Look for World War Bitcoin. How many jobs do I have? Quant price in 2030, 4 or 5 figures. Anchor's going to exist for a long time. I'm excited, guys. Let's keep the positive vibes going. Get to 200K. There we go. BTC drives the market. All right. How many jobs do I have? The question is, how many money-making ventures do I have? I would say 2. This makes me a little bit, and my business makes me full-time income. So, I guess I would count DeFi as my other money-making venture. So, am I investing in crap coins? Yeah, I am. Threat to ETH. I mean, Cardano's name. They named themselves the ETH killer. I think that's cute. But ETH is. Hey, Ragid. Yeah, I'm streaming on YouTube. ETH is the. What is it? What am I thinking here? ETH is calcifying itself. So, what altcoins are you aiming to accumulate in the bear market? Solana, Quant, really all of the above. Even Doge, dare I say Doge? Because here's what happened last time with Doge. It dumped from 1% to 0.02 cents or something like that, and it just stayed there for a year. So once I see Doge just flatline like that, I'm gonna load up on Doge. It's gonna be the easiest 50x that I ever make. So maybe I shouldn't say that too confidently. What's DeFi? Deregulated finance, man. It is the future. I'm so excited about it. So any of these platforms that you can get returns on staking and stuff, they're involved in DeFi. HBAR target price $2. Do I have my YouTube link on TikTok to drive them there? Yes, I do. Yeah. Esteban, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Abigachi, what about it? I don't know what Abigachi is. My government can't even build Rosie. Yeah, that's for sure. Rank your favorite in order. Matic, Quant, VeChain, Theta, XLM. Oh, that's a tough one. Matic, Quant, Theta, VeChain, XLM. How about that? Bunch of government naysayers, but they have no problem taxing your gains. That's for sure. And that's what I think will happen with crypto regulations. So it's just they'll be happy to make money. Crypto that is not going to survive in 5 years. I don't know. Dude, best coin to get into in Voyager. I mean, aside from Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, HBAR, because you can't really get HBAR that many other places. Thank you so much, Ragid. I see you on that. And thank you, Nicholas. Doge predictions, like $1 or something. Crypto Mason posted about a Black Swan event, cyber attacking happening. I'll believe it when I see it. We'll have much bigger problems if that's the case. So my business is a grocery distribution business. Best place to farm right now. I like PancakeSwap. I have a lot of money there. My main crypto exchange. There really isn't one main one. I like Voyager. I like BlockFi. I have a solid chunk of change on BlockFi. Coinbase, not so much, but I don't have Coinbase Pro, and I probably would like it more if I had Coinbase Pro. PancakeSwap, Trust Wallet, things like that. Now starting to see signs on places where they're taking Bitcoin. Awesome, yeah. So buy Doge now? I mean, no. I see what you're saying, just passing time. No, I'm talking about late 2022, early 2023. That's when I would buy Doge. Bet top DeFi cryptos. I mean, it's really it's really murky because Aave is probably the first thing that comes to my mind, but would I consider Celsius a DeFi crypto? I probably would, something like that, or I don't know, I don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking about that. While I'm too poor for that, it is interesting to see. Kirom, all right. Yeah. I'm spending my fiat, not my crypto. Nicholas, working my grocery business. I have one employee right now. I'm happy with my one, but I'll keep that in mind. Let's get crow pumping. I'm with you on that. RVN, don't know enough. Sorry. Buy Doge. No. Thank you, Shane. See you later. Once regulations established, do you see many coins disappearing? Coins will disappear, but and maybe with regulations, but I don't think they're like for Bitcoin. I don't think so. Why doesn't Matic seem to be performing as well as the others? I haven't noticed that, Carly. Really, I've tried to listen to him and can't. William, who are you talking about? All right. Will we see Solana DOT and HBAR at the prices we're seeing right now during the next bear market, or just a bit above current prices? So, Tan, I think just a little bit above. So, let's see. Philip Young, what's up? Ready for the punt today? Hopefully it's going to be a soft landing. I hope so, yeah. XRP pump, why is it happening? So there's some news out of Japan. Yeah, thank you, William. So there's some news out of Japan, but I think there's a lot of it has to do with hope that maybe the SEC suit is over. It's like anticipation with that. So, yeah, Joe Ponto, same thing. Where do you think Shiba is going? I think we'll see a new all-time high sometime this cycle, but I don't think anytime soon. The Dogecoin family has subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And Dennis and Carly. Oh, man, I just got a bunch of new subscribers. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. Let's see. So, Theta or T-Fuel? Theta. I mean, I know T-Fuel has outperformed recently, so I heard only 20,000 people hold quant. Yes, sir. Yeah, 20,000 people hold quant. There's only 14 million quant in existence, 14.5 million. I am happy, very happy to be holding some quant. So, all right, YouTube comments here. Let's see. Put half my portfolio into long-term holds with VET, XRP, Matic, and ADA. Excellent. The other half I'm day trading with. I'm losing money on the investments that I got into. Oh, man, yeah. All right. Don't forget to like the video. Yeah, those of you on YouTube, smash up that like button. All right, sorry. Any news on ramifications of New Jersey coming from BlockFi? I got an email from BlockFi today, Holy Crystals Batman. I didn't have the time to read it, so I'm sure it was just some political BS statement that they were making, but I'm not sure. Remember to ask me that tomorrow. So I put money when the market crashed back in March, so I have done very well. Oh, in March of 2020. Wow. Okay. The work being put into Pi, is that going to go anywhere? I think so. People are transacting with it in some other countries right now. So what's up, Rep? So I'm hopeful that that'll spread around the world. Hodling since 29.8K. I also bought at 50K. Ooh, okay. Yeah, you'll be fine. What to hold into the bear market other than Bitcoin and ETH? I'm holding Chainlink, HBAR, and Binance, but I'm going to sell a decent amount of those. And Quant, because Quant doesn't give any Fs. So Matic is down at the moment. I mean, over the last 24 hours, it's up. Yeah, all right, let's see. Super prediction, it's at 31% today. What is 31%? I don't even know what you're talking about, Key. Thinking we need to get a push above 42K for this really to move higher. Thoughts? That's my exact price target, D-Bell. That's why I said in my most recent TikTok, like, I'm this close to declaring we're back in a bull run. So do you think Robinhood will add more crypto? I could see that being the case. I mean, like, they said something about, yeah, you have bad ones too. It happens. Yep. I saw something like Doge is making a ton of money off of, or sorry, Robinhood is making a lot of money off of Doge right now. So why not add other cryptos? It's just they have to be a legit crypto exchange if that's what they're going to do. You know, allow for transfers and exchanges. I like Quant holding some. Is the Japan news a big deal? I don't know. I haven't looked into it enough. So 45% Bitcoin, 45. I don't know what you're saying. Just passing time. All right, 40% Bitcoin, 20%. 40% ETH and 20% Quant. That's great. That's fantastic. I wish more people had greater exposure to Bitcoin and ETH. Is that an Elgato mic? It's a toner mic. Quant not on Binance. You can get on Coinbase. Quant on CB Pro. Okay, yeah. I think this is a false start, but soon. Yeah. I'm with you on that, Shafi. I don't day trade crypto. No, Kelly. I'm in favor of buying and holding. There is a guaranteed way. I shouldn't say I should never say guaranteed, but the thing that's most likely going to give you great returns over time is just buying and holding. What's the biggest threat to ETH and going higher? I don't see one. I mean, a cyber attack, really, but other than that, I don't see one. Why is XRP flying? Man, that should be my frequently asked question today. XRP is oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Sorry, I'm trying to multitask here. XRP, there's some news out of Japan I'm trying to pay attention to, but I haven't. Oh my goodness, just shoot me. All right. So, yeah, XRP, there's some hope that the SEC suit will, I don't think it will, but yeah, you're welcome, Kelly. Coinbase expensive for quant. Try Coin Metro, but yeah, Coinbase Pro, though, you can get on Coinbase Pro. Is Coin Metro in the EU? I've never heard of Coin Metro, actually, so I have 100% on Ethereum. Should I diversify? Oh, man. I mean, I would recommend having some Bitcoin. But, like, if you're 100% on ETH, I think you're going to do very well. So, thank you, Find the Deer. Can't take most seriously. Their predictions are always wrong. I wouldn't say that I've been lucky this month. I've just been, I have acquired very good information that I've written. And I am the MVP for TikTok. There's no doubt in my mind about that for the month of July. So not Coinbase Pro, Quant in UK. Sorry about that. Only able to trade on Binance, where I'm from, Libya. Man. Eventually. Or you can get on Coinbase or Revolut. Okay. AMP. I don't have any AMP. I don't know enough. So crypto is fun. It wastes your time. That's funny. Buying and holding is an amazing strategy. There we go. What's the best staking on Coinbase? I have no idea. Yeah. Staking on Binance is annoying. Interesting. Didn't know that. Got Japan has confirmed using ODL. That's right, yeah. But I think there's also anticipation with the SEC suit. H-bar coming to Coinbase. I hope so. Is that true, Alan? Good to see you again, by the way. I didn't know that. That would be awesome. XRP partnership with Amazon, doing some research. Man, that would be crazy. XLM, I love XLM. Very good crypto. I'm very excited about what they're going to do for third world countries. You're welcome, Zaid. But July was supposed to be Pablo's month. And June. It's almost August. Yeah. Pablo's like the least valuable player for July, and I'm the MVP. So soon to CRE September and so on. Soon to something and so on. Okay. Coinbase fees are too high, but not Coinbase Pro. XRP. Bullish on XRP. Once that SEC suit is over, it's going to be better. All right, it's coming. A lot of different good coins, too. Awesome. Yeah, still no VeChain. Come on, Coinbase. What's your problem with VeChain, man? What do you think for Crow? I love Crow. I'm very excited about Crow. I have plenty of Crow, and I'm excited about it. So can we cross $40,000 again? It's at $39.9 right now. Alice, man, I don't know. Alice, CVO Crypto, he's a friend of mine on TikTok. He knows a decent amount about Alice. I'd recommend checking him out. Please slate Pablo some more. What do you mean slate? Sorry, I'm almost 40 years old, so I don't know this lingo. What's your favorite crypto based off projects? I'm a pretty simple man. Ethereum. But I probably not. Never mind. I don't know. Probably because of partnership with the Chinese government. Oh, VeChain. That would make sense, Alan. Yeah. XLM. I love XLM. $5 this cycle. So how do you even buy Alice? You can buy it on PancakeSwap. So you should get the Crow card. Even the base one is good. Gives you 1% cash back. All right, yeah, I've been thinking about that. So almost 40, I'm a baby. Yeah, I'm totally a baby. Fundamentals info behind HBAR coming to Coinbase. I don't know. Alan said something about that, so that's the first I've heard of it. What is a decent amount of Crow to you? How much Crow do I own? Like 12,000 or something. I guess that's decent. It's like it's not crazy. So you went live when Bitcoin was down. Yeah, let's do one when Bitcoin is up. You know, I was thinking about that, Neutral. That's a good point because like he had the advantage because like public sentiment was that Bitcoin was going down. So he could talk very confidently, and I had to kind of be like, yeah, maybe it'll go down. But now, yeah, let's do a live now, Pablo. Pablo, if you're listening, let's do a live. Let's go live together. Call into my live stream. I'd be happy to talk more. When is XRP available on more exchanges? It will spike. When it is, yeah. We'll see about when, though. That was my thought for the last few months. I'll most likely switch to 90% ETH over Bitcoin. Yeah. All right, Crypto Hustler, how old are you? I mean, I would have guessed younger than me, Crypto Hustler, but if you tell me you're older, that's fine. That'll actually be a surprise. Mr. Big Mike, nice. Yes. On Coinbase Pro, one quant is 47 cents to buy. What? That doesn't. Oh, you mean fees? Do you mean fees? Oh, wow. All right. Crypto Hustler is 40. Wow. Okay. All right. Bitcoin is right at. All right. I saw it. It was right at $40,000. So maybe we'll push through again. XLM price this March 2022, $5. Do you know anything about Elizabeth Warren restrictions? There aren't any yet. And today's supposed to be that deadline, so we'll see. All right, yeah, the fee is 47 cents on Coinbase Pro. Get it, man. Get it. Good entry for ETH. I'd be dollar cost averaging into ETH really hard right now. Don't wait for entries. I mean, we're pushing $40,000 again. It's like, how many times are we going to test $40,000 before we just break through? And that means ETH is going to go up too. Sorry for the fee for me. Yeah. Buddy man, thank you for sharing the live video. Double tap on the screen for TikTok. Smash up that like button on YouTube. I am live on YouTube, by the way. People do say it's a better viewing experience there. What was my original capital investment? I think $50,000. I sold my house last summer and moved to a new city. That was already going to be the plan. I put $50,000 into it, so I'm like I'm 4x right now, you know, not 4x like foreign exchange, but I have 4x'd. Let's see. Sorry, the fee for me. ETH, what do you think? I'm crazy about ETH right now. Thank you, Crypto Hustler. Thank you, Holy Crystals Batman. Super bullish on ETH right now. To the point where maybe I should change my name to World War Ethereum, except somebody else who watches my live streams took that name. So maybe Axis is weird. When the market goes up, it dies down, and when the market goes down, it gets bought up at 31. That is interesting, yeah. Good entry for HBAR. I mean, I would say now you've got to put some in if you're looking to get in. So, whew. If feds make any negative comment, OC Pet Doctor, at 11 a.m. PST, stocks react negatively, crypto will hurt. I mean, that's a threat every month. Every month when I go live, I get questions about, hey, there's this FOMC meeting is happening today. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? And then, like, nothing happens. Yeah, eventually something will happen. But it's like I'd give it like a 1 in 10 chance that something bad's going to happen. Except the only thing that would make me concerned about the FOMC meeting today was just the CPI last month was really high. But they had an FOMC meeting after that CPI was high, and they still didn't do anything. So we'll see. M. Parker, I am having a good day. I hope you're having a good day. Warren pretended to know something this morning on TV. Oh, Satan's sister, I love you. I don't love you. Never mind. How much to start day trading? I don't day trade. $100, you know? True, yeah. Your thoughts on Polygon Matic? I love Polygon. Yeah, I'm sorry. I've talked a lot about Polygon, so maybe DCA after the Feds. Yeah, that's a good point. OC Pet Doctor. Yeah. COVID is a threat too. here's the thing with COVID, Crypto Hustler, because I've thought a lot about this. It's like, how much of a threat is it? Because like it's not going to take us by surprise again. I mean, some people, yeah, it's going to take by surprise. But like we panicked last time. We absolutely panicked because it hit us out of nowhere. I mean, we should have seen the writing on the wall, but we panicked. And when everything shut down, we all went in a frenzy. And so all of that selling last time was panic selling. But then we all got our $1,200 stimulus checks and put it into crypto. I mean, not everybody, but a lot of people did. So with shutdowns comes stimulus. With stimulus comes exact amounts of investments into Bitcoin and other cryptos. So buy XRP now or wait. I would buy a little bit now. Like if you had $1,000, I'd buy like $150 now. The thing that has me concerned is that maybe this is a buy the hype, sell the event type thing with the SEC suit coming to an end. RSR, I don't know enough, sorry. EQZ mainnet launching this week. Focused only on flash loans and integrated with Matic and Elrond. Awesome, yeah. Robot crypto trading. I have a bot. It's not doing well. You know, I put like $1,000 into it just to test it out. It's not doing well. So that might be it for me with bots. Yasmin, good morning. In this current market, if you have 10K, how would you invest? 25% Bitcoin, 35% Ethereum. Spread the rest out. Binance, Chainlink, Quant, HBAR, Matic, Theta, Cake, Maker. About to buy crypto, buy ETH, Bitcoin, or Quant. ETH. Still bullish on Matic? Yeah. Price prediction about $8. My Voyager code, Board Surfer. Yeah, Voyager is my favorite platform. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free crypto and or free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. Am I bullish on SNX or any other DeFi coin? SNX is up there that I'm bullish on. Yeah, lots of DeFi coins. Very bullish. Todd Hart, what up, kid? Please repeat, what year was your initial investment? 2013. I didn't put a ton in 2013 because I had a good amount of money at that time, but I invested it into a business instead of investing it in a crypto. And it worked out well for me, but I'd be richer now if I invested in a crypto. Next platform that SEC has their eyes on, I don't know. Maybe BlockFi. I mean, you know, they got this thing going on in New Jersey. Got Bitcoin and ETH. Shall I add Quant? It's not a bad idea. ETH prediction by September 3,000. That's a total guess. Physical gold and silver and Bitcoin. Excellent. Is Pablo coming on? Because if so, I have to mentally prepare to lose brain. All right. You said that, Sambo, not me. Okay, sorry. HBAR is the long hold. For me, it is, yeah. I think it'd be good to get in now. I think it's around 8 to 10 cents right now. Oh, 19 cents. Yeah, it's 19 cents. Good entry for HBAR. You know, maybe wait until this FOMC meeting is over with. I tend to agree with OC Pet Doctor. So what crypto bot did I try? Pionex, Pionex. You're welcome, Yasmin. Do you think it's wise to just accumulate Bitcoin, ETH, and Link? Yeah, I think that's great. You know, when things... So what's the bear market bottom going to be for Bitcoin? So, I mean, people ask me bear market bottom for Bitcoin, ETH, and Chainlink, things like that. I think that Bitcoin in the bear market, like 2023, could go down as low as $50,000 or $60,000. Thank you, Justice Dave. So maybe around $50,000, $60,000, slow down on your accumulation. But ETH, I would continue to accumulate throughout 2021 and into 2022. Thank you, Sambo. You've been very supportive. Double tap the screen, y'all. Yep. I'd rather have good picks rather than buying 15 different coins. I'm with you on that. Yeah. Smash up that like button. All right, got 1,000 to start in crypto. What to buy? Half Bitcoin, half ETH. Was that a rejection? A rejection? Yeah, sure. I mean, we got right up to $40,000. Hit a sell wall there, but I'm pretty encouraged to see. So, yeah. Crab. So you're saying it's a crab market, Tucker? Because good luck with that. Hey, remind me, bot. Remind me in 2 weeks. All right, this is my first time crypto investment. I have around $100,000 in it. How do you exit for winter? I'm not sure what you're saying, Zaid. But I would, if I were you, just take profits often. You see a 2x, 3x return, take some money off the table. All right. You should do what all these other influencers are doing and fight Pablo in a cage match. But does he know Kung Fu? That would be what I'd be a little nervous about. If he doesn't, I'd whoop him. Not going to lie, I hope ETH goes to 19 or 2000 again. We'll see. I don't think so, but sure. You too. Let's see. I heard a lot of FUD surrounding XLM. Can I have your view, please? What FUD? I'm not sure what that FUD is. Yeah, putting higher lows still. Bounced a little bit. Bounced really close to that 21 weekly EMA, which I'm excited about. ETH sell-off price 2,400. No. Don't fight Wendy. Yeah, she does like Tai Bo or something, right? She doesn't follow me. I hope she follows me one day. I follow her. I'm not too blown away by her content, but whatever. It's all good. I like her. VeChain price prediction end of the year, 35 cents. And do you think it should be sold then? No. End of cycle, I think $1. And so I think it should be sold around them. XLM is a poor man's version of XRP. They have different functions, different spaces. So, okay, cool. I will sell and take profit. But do you hold anything in a bear market? Yeah, I'll be holding Bitcoin and Ethereum for sure in a bear market, and some Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. But I'm selling everything else. Prediction on VeChain: 35 cents end of the year, $1 end of cycle. Patterns are very bullish. When can we be confident we're in the bull run? I want to see us get above $42,000. There's some other markers that I would want to look at, but get over $42,000, bounce back, go back down to $42,000 and bounce higher than that. So, thoughts on Tezos and Kava? I don't know enough. I feel as though we may be at the FOMO stage. Todd, that's difficult for me to agree, and I would say that we're in the denial stage. I see plenty of people saying this is a sucker's rally, that it's going back down to 25,000, things like that. So I think the cycle will end in early to mid 2022. Just bought more Bitcoin and ETH to hodl. There we go. Imagine the people who were waiting to buy in around 25K on Bitcoin. Yeah, I tried telling them we're not going below that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level on the weekly candle. So end of the cycle, early to mid 2022, in my opinion. ETH, I love ETH. You've got to watch my video with the sticker on it, EIP 3675. I'm super bullish on ETH. Bought Litecoin at the top. Do you think we'll see new all-time high so I can sell? I think you will, yeah. Or at least break even. Yeah, I mean, I think we'll see Litecoin go to 4 figures. So Kusama, I mean, Crypto Hustler, you probably know more about Kusama than I do. You know more about Polkadot than I do. So I like Kusama. What's the sign of the cycle ending when things go parabolic? What do you think of Dent down 80%? Not much, so I don't care. Should I sell or hold? Hold. My answer is always going to be hold at this point in time. Dogecoin is not going to outperform anything else for the time being. Give it a few months. Let's get back in the bull run. Let's see Bitcoin cross its all-time high, and then Dogecoin will go higher. Would you buy some ETH right now? Yeah. I got my Biden bucks for my 5 kids, and I'm going to buy some ETH today for them and put it in their wallet. So I don't care what the price is. I'm just buying it. I'm going to buy ETH. I see more people saying it's a bull run than bear. That's probably true to the moon. Yeah. But, I mean, a week ago, everyone was saying bear. Not everyone, but a lot of people were saying bear. So it's going back to the 20s. No, it's not, Gene. You are wrong. How do we feel about Cardano? We feel good. Cardano will go up. August will be a good month for Cardano. BNB got a big down, over 50% since the dip. Me too. I mean, I bought on BNB at like $20, but I'm perfectly fine with BNB. Got my 4th stimulus. It's the it's like $300 a month per child. That's what I got. Cheapest price you got ETH at 300, I think. Phantom, been digging Phantom. Yeah, I'm digging Phantom. Crypto Weatherman is still bearish. He did revise his price prediction to 26 to 27K. If it goes down to the 20s this time, it's time to go crazy. Yeah. Whenever anyone is saying one thing, you can be assured the opposite will happen. Okay. Sia Coin. I don't know enough about Sia Coin. Sorry. XRP price post clarity. I'm predicting an $8 to $10 XRP this cycle. Matic or ETH? ETH. Matic or ADA? Matic. Are we expecting BNB to recover above $600? I believe so, yeah. Would ETH ever be like Bitcoin? No, they're entirely different things. Bitcoin is digital gold. ETH is like digital oil. Algo price prediction like $7. Weatherman may keep increasing his revision prices, and I'm perfectly fine with that. Yeah, Ivan, end of the year, 35 cents. $1 by the end of the cycle, though. Lunacoin thoughts. I don't own any. I'm bullish in general. I think that it saw a lot of its gains over the last year, so I think other coins will outperform it. How much would you say you have invested across all cryptocurrency? At least last year after I sold my house was $50,000. Oh, but like as of right now, I think my total is about 200,000. So Shiba's going to be flat for a while in comparison to other cryptos at least. You say the bull run will end when the coins go parabolic. What price is parabolic for Bitcoin? I've been saying $200,000. That hasn't changed for me. There was never a confirmation that we're in a bear run. Yeah, 46. It's all about semantics. So I agree with you on that. My definition of bull or bear run is where are we in comparison to the 200-day moving average and the 21 weekly EMA. We just crossed above the 21 weekly EMA lately. So will it still go down to the 20s? I am saying no. What do I think about Pablo He-Man? I'm guessing as far as the number of followers that I have that I am the biggest anti-Pablo He-Man person on this platform. I like him. I just disagree with him very much. I am convinced that he's wrong. Is Binance still in crap because of regulations, or was it resolved? They're going to be in stuff for a while. So AMP, I'm bullish on AMP, but no price predictions. AXS, stay away for the short term. Thoughts about the current volume in the past candles. Volume seems to be ticking up. I expect volume as the price of Bitcoin goes up to increase. I'm not worried about volume. Bitcoin prediction and how long will the bull run last? $200,000. I'm saying a peak in early to mid 2022. Matic price predictions end of the year. $3. No, yeah, $3. Quant is the honey badger. It's a beast. Thank you, Todd. Thanks a lot. All right, seem to be on the same page with market moves. That's great. Bitcoin by the end of the summer, so September 21st. I'll say $45,000. What about XLM? Is still something I like. XLM. Been putting money into crypto every month. When do I stop? When Bitcoin is about 150K. 100K. Nokia, they're coming back. All right, not financial advice. Pablo came back laughing. What happened to Bitcoin? Not sure what you're talking about, but Sambo, that's my boy. Shiba is not going to outperform anything for the time being, but I do think we'll see a new all-time high for Shiba this cycle. So, do you see Bitcoin existing in 2050 or so? Yes, I do. Do you see quant dipping back under $80? Yes, I do. Will bear market become shorter because of new adoption from people and bull runs last longer? Yeah, Mitchell, I believe in lengthening bull runs within cycles, within a 4-year cycle with diminishing returns. So I do believe that there will be less volatility. I do believe that there will be smaller bear markets but longer bull runs too, with many bear markets in between them, like what we're seeing right now. So yeah, do I like XRP? Yes, I do. Real question. Something's a real question. I don't know what it is though. Or will bear and bull market become unpredictable? I don't. For the time being, for the next decade or two, I don't think it's going to be unpredictable. So Doge, what price do you think? Except for the fact that crypto is always unpredictable. Price predictions around $1. So Bitcoin end of year, December price prediction like 80,000. Is it possible to buy XRP on Voyager? No, not yet. You can buy it on Uphold. What about some dog? I think you're talking about Doge. I just answered that. When are you going to begin taking profits? When my portfolio equals $1 million, or when I see things go parabolic. So vet price this year, 35 cents or so. This cycle, $1. Cardano, $8 this cycle. Better to have money spread out in 5 coins or one. I would say 5 coins for sure. How will you feel if Bitcoin goes back in the 20s? It depends on how long it stays there. If it has a weekly close in the 20s, I will, everything about my opinion will fundamentally change. I am convinced that Bitcoin will not have a weekly close in the 20s, that it won't go below that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is right around $30,000. If it dips in the 20s, fine. That's fine. Phantom, very bullish on Phantom. Do you know anything about Cellcoin? I mean, the Celsius platform, I really like it. The returns are phenomenal. So Celsius coin has done very well. I love platform coins. So Crow, Binance, ETH, Celsius. There's other ones, VGX. Do you see more countries accepting Bitcoin as legal tender? If so, does that help Bitcoin? Yes, I do, and I think that will help, yeah. Thoughts on Litecoin? I think Litecoin's going to do well. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it will do well. I think over $1,000 this cycle. Cardano, I've $8 this cycle. I've talked a lot about Cardano. AMP long term been pumping good than dumping. I just don't follow the charts with AMP enough to really give you an opinion on that. Yeah, I'm in the US. You can get XRP on Uphold. I got into crypto in 2013. Sorry if it's been asked, but where did you get that mic? Amazon. Toner microphone. Sorry, I'm mirrored, but toner. It's not a very good microphone. This is where it's at right here, but it keeps going out. I need to fix the problems with it. This is a, oh man, I don't even remember the name of the microphone, but XLM price prediction end of the year and bull run, like $1 end of year, $5 end of the bull run. Riot versus Meristock. Man, I've lost a lot of money on those, you know, but I traded options. And so that was the thing. Like I put in $15,000 and came out with zero. And so I'd rather have the actual crypto. I think now is a good time to actually trade options, but you know, I'm not going to do it. I've already lost enough. So you recommend selling Bitcoin and ETH during this bull run and reaccumulate during the bear market? No, crypto machinery. I do not. Look at ETH. Over the last 12 months, we have gone from 26 million ETH on exchanges to 20 million. And we are adding 12,800 ETH a day. That is going to be reduced to 1,280 ETH staking. That is a reduction of 4 million ETH being added to the system every year. So instead of losing 6 million ETH on exchanges, we're going to be losing 10 million ETH on exchanges. Within 2 years, you may not be able to buy ETH on exchanges. I'm not playing around with that. So no, and Bitcoin is very similar. It's probably going to be 3 or 4 years for Bitcoin when you're not going to be able to buy any Bitcoin. Baby Doge is not on my radar at all. Gaming NFTs, super on board with gaming NFTs. That's where it makes sense to me. VeChain, I'm bullish on VeChain. VeChain to $1. I know it hasn't performed well. Litecoin to $1,000. HBAR is a long-term hold for me. Thank you, brands. I'm trying really hard. It's not the easiest, but I do go live every day. Matic prediction this cycle like $8. SXP, dude, what's X? I'm totally blanking on SXP. Do you think there's heavy market manipulation? Yes, I have looked at SXP. I'm just totally blanking on it right now. I'm sorry about that. I am live on YouTube, by the way. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a shout out. I'll thank you. You'll be my best friend forever, like forever. So, okay, do you think there's heavy market manipulation? How do you define heavy? There's market manipulation because whales can do things like that. But to the extent of they don't have the control over it that they do over other things. So why am I stuttering so much? Yeah, it's good but broke. Something's good but broke. I don't know. I was destroyed by Coinbase. How were you destroyed by Coinbase? Sorry about that. VeChain, you think it can go to $1? Tempted to move stock funds into my available cash for crypto instead. Now's not the time, OC Pet Doctor. I really think that. Now, if you just had like, I shouldn't say it like that. I mean, the reason why I even say that, now is the time for short-term gains, but it's just as a long-term investor, that's really hard for me to endorse. Because like, imagine buying Cardano a year ago when it was 2 cents. Or 3 or 4 cents right now. I mean, that's the bull. That's the time to buy. You know, the bear market. ETH price. What about it? I mean, I'm thinking 5,000 end of the year, 15,000 end of the cycle. What cold wallet do I recommend? If you're talking about cold storage, I'd say like a Trezor. Sorry, I'm way behind on comments here. Gaming NFTs, Axie, once it cools off or settles down, something like that. Do I invest in non-crypto stocks? Yeah, I have some, and I will be doing a lot more in the bear market, in the crypto bear market. So, do you see the Ripple lawsuit ending in the near future? What do you think about XRP? I think it's going to be very bullish for XRP. I have no idea. The government moves so slowly. Sorry, I'm way behind on these comments here. HBAR is a long-term hold for me. Video YouTuber I follow said by the end of the year, worst case scenario is 145 for Bitcoin, and best case 450,000 for Bitcoin. I do not believe the same thing. I believe in lengthening cycles. Lengthening bull runs within a 4-year cycle. So I think 80,000 or so for Bitcoin. If I'm wrong, I will be very happily wrong. So yeah, Axie Infinity. I'm excited about Axie Infinity potentially over the long run, but not right now. Dogecoin I don't think is going to do very well in comparison to other cryptos, but I do think it'll reach its all-time high again. So any thoughts on Elrond? No. I really need to brush up on my knowledge on Elrond. By the way, Bitcoin is above $40,000 again. I'm not going to say hallelujah. Yay. But Mac Lorden, I follow Mac Lorden, and he's really into Elrond. So which crypto get you high returns by the end of the year? Ethereum. Yeah, Trezor for cold wallet. ETH going down soon? I don't think so. What price do you feel comfortable that Bitcoin is bullish? 42K? Yeah, 42K. Yep. SXP is a payment system partnered with Visa and MasterCard. Sounds good to me. Don't spam me, please. You think we'll still get a dip or retracement? We have gone back above 40,000 again. At one of these times, we're going to blast off to $42,000 and then test that. Maybe it's now. We'll see. Or maybe it's after after today. But I think soon. Ethereum bottom price in the bear market. Thank you, Mr. Big Mike. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Why is Bitcoin 42K meaning bull market? 42K is just a major psychological level, Esteban. It's been that way. When we crossed over 42,000, it took Elon Musk, it took Tesla buying Bitcoin to go above $42,000. It was heavy resistance on January 8th when we hit it. And then on the way down, once we crossed $42,000, it was as if the plug was pulled and down the toilet. So Josh Payne, thank you so much. JP Zebes on TikTok. I did not see a notification that you subscribed, but thank you for letting me know. All right, sorry. All right, gaming NFTs, where would you find them? In the video games, or I don't know where to buy something like Axie Infinity, honestly. So, but if you play Axie Infinity, you'll get rewards. Going to 42, I hope so, man. Price for ETH in the coming weeks. I'm not much of a short-term guy. I think higher. I think we'll go on the positive side of over 2,500. So, yes, sir. All right. Definitely over 41 in the next 2 hours. I hope you're right, Kiwi. I really hope you're right. Planning to withdraw from the stock market for encrypted day trading. Okay. Thank you, Prada Blue, for the roses. OpenSea.imo. You can buy Axies. Okay. What platform do you use to trade and get analysis from? Trade and get. So I'm not a trader. I'm a holder. Thank you, Longz. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am live on YouTube for everyone else, by the way. It's a better viewing experience, I think. Trade and get analysis. I mean, I have 9 different platforms. My favorite is Voyager. I don't get analysis from Voyager. Any free chart analysis sites? TradingView is kind of my go-to, but I think you have to get some training if you're going to use TradingView. It's, yeah. How do you play these NFT games? Does it cost money? I think it does. Like, you need to buy some of their... There was one that I checked out yesterday. It was too confusing for me, unfortunately. I don't even remember the name of it. But you had to buy their cryptocurrency to start playing. But that doesn't mean that you still own the cryptocurrency, but you don't have to pay money and never get it back again. So, no, I need a dip. No, we're done dipping. I'm kidding, but UMA, DeFi proof of work. I don't know much about UNA. Tezos, don't know enough. ADA breakout. It will eventually. Theta, I'm just as bullish on Theta as I've always been. So, Kiwi, thank you. Yeah, I really appreciate that. But yeah, I'm bullish on Theta. I'm very excited about it. Sandbox. I need to learn more about Sandbox. Wait, no, Sandbox. I'm blanking. Shiba Inu. It's other things are going to outperform Shiba Inu for the time being. Do not go below $40,000 again. Don't you do it. Glassnode has some free stuff. Yeah, the stuff that I really like is level 3 data. Like I was willing to pay for level 2 data, but then I saw all the stuff that I want to look at is on level 3, which is $800 a month. Best crypto DIY tax software? I don't know. I just use TurboTax. Thank you, DaVinci Jeremy recommendation. Yeah, you know, there's good and bad with DaVinci, but like I will always love him because I remember before cryptocurrency existed watching him talk about silver and gold. And like he's an OG, man. He's my guy. I'm always going to love him. Theta, a long-term investment? I don't think so, no. If you can't stake it, here's the thing. Any cryptocurrency that you can't stake at all, I would say that's not a long-term investment aside from Bitcoin. Anything else, I would say it's not a long-term investment. You can't stake Theta as far as I understand. But then some of them that you can stake, I would still say are not long-term investments. Dot end of the year and run prediction, like $60 end of the year, $200 end of the bull run. I want Bitcoin to pump, so alt pump, and I can take profits to reinvest in ETH. There we go, yeah. Bitcoin, I hope they're supported at 40K. Me too, yeah. All right, for the Stoner Cats NFT, I think you would have to have one to watch the show. That's interesting. That is very interesting. So there's a way to get people to buy NFTs, yeah. All right, does it make sense to stake my cryptos on a platform like Celsius, or do you think that's too risky? I think it makes sense. The Mount Gox days are long gone. So isn't Theta becoming staking though? Oh, I didn't know that, Mitchell. I didn't know that. Still, I would say not Theta. Thoughts on Quant? Quant's a beast. I love Quant. How much do I bench? You know, I've never maxed. I haven't maxed out since high school. The highest I've gotten to is 3 sets of 5, 265 pounds. I want to be back in the bull run market. Yeah, me too. I believe you have to invest about $1,500 to get started with Axie. Oh, I did not know that, man. Don't hate it, don't date it, just trade it. That's a DaVinci Jeremy quote. Yeah. Should I stake right now? Yes. Yes. Peak value for VET this year, I think like 35 cents, but for the cycle, $1. So crypto is not long term. You are wrong. I wish we can stake more coins on Coinbase. Me too, yeah. Coinbase is or is not a good app to invest in. You got to get Coinbase Pro, not regular Coinbase. Thought they had a mainnet update or becoming proof of stake. I hope so. I was ripped, yeah, back in the day. What does stake mean? It means holding something on a platform and getting returns for it. STAKE. Anything good with Shiba Inu? Not that I know of. Hey, look, you can see yourself on YouTube. So Solana, Link, Quant, and ETH are good long-term projects. Yeah, Mitchell. Yep. CryptoPunks, and if it's a good investment long-term, I'm not familiar with CryptoPunks. I was Poppy back in the day. I was Mr. Worldwide. Is Bitcoin good to buy at $40,000? Yeah, I would buy some. Dollar cost average. That's what you got to do, British kid. All right, guys, I'm done for today. I was strong, yeah, man. I have a very big chest, so I'm strong with bench. You're welcome, Michael. I'm gonna run, by the way. So, all right, when to pull out in altcoins when Bitcoin's peaking? No, because altcoins will have their run after Bitcoin peaks. Yeah, after 2 weeks, altcoins peaks. Yeah. Buying levels in Bitcoin. DCA, buy a little bit every week. Now is still a great time to buy. Thoughts on another dip? It will be soon in your opinion. It will have to be soon. I think August is going to be a good month. Bitcoin is good buy at 75 to 100K. My kids will be too late. Yeah, yeah. Am I bullish on my kids? I am very bullish on them. I think they're going to be great. Isn't ETH 2.0 going to make a lot of alts obsolete like Matic? Esteban, I don't know. I've wrestled with that, and I'm not sure, Esteban. You're welcome. Live, laugh, love. Follow me on TikTok. If you're not following me, you're watching this live stream, please do so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, again, follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I'm a lot more active on there now. See you, Jacob Potter. Have fun working. Thank you, Nick. Thank you so much. We're back in the. When would you say we're back in the bull market? Over $42,000. I'll say we're back. My kid is so cute. Yes, she is. I have 5 of them. They're all beautiful. Dex, I don't know. Kids ROI. Thank you, Brody Block. Weatherman Miss. What about Weatherman? Bearish. Weatherman says bearish on my kids. That's funny. All right. I'm out. Peace. Love. Live, laugh, love. See you all on YouTube. I am still live on YouTube, but